This video shows how to create multiple quality checks for several columns within different data assets and automatically execute them with check packs. As already seen in a previous video, each single quality check is defined by a rule that is applied to a column within a specific data asset. To create multiple quality checks, first click on the Create Multiple Quality Checks button. Now we can select the target data assets using an SQL query to filter across all the assets in the data landscape. With the default query, we can use the attributes Asset Source Type and Asset Name for selecting the target assets. On the right-hand side, we can find the list of all the attributes that can be used to generate the desired query. In this example, we want to select 3 tables within a OneData project, whose names start with the string BOM. As you can see, the SQL query is applied in real time to the full assets list, and the results are displayed in the lower table. Once the filtering of the data assets is complete, simply click on the Continue button. It is important to consider that all the columns in the previously selected assets will be considered for the creation of new quality checks. OneData is indicating that a total of 9 columns are present for the 3 selected assets, which could potentially lead to the creation of 9 distinct quality checks. Now we can choose the general rule to be used for all the columns in the selected assets. We can choose between any of these 3 existing rules, and OneData will automatically check if the data type of the column is suitable for the selected rule. Alternatively, it is possible to manually select to target only numeric or string type columns. Simply click on the Start icon to begin the creation of all the distinct quality checks. The chosen rule is now applied to all the valid columns within the selected assets. Going back to the Quality Check tab, the newly created quality checks are visible at the top. They can be executed manually, one after the other, by clicking on the Execute buttons as seen before. Alternatively, their execution can be automated by bundling all of them together in a check pack and then simply executing it. To do so, simply click on the Create New Check Pack button. We now have the option to select the existing quality checks that we want to bundle into the new check pack. On the left-hand side, we can filter for the desired assets exactly as done before. Using the SQL query on the right-hand side, we can filter for a specific rule. For this specific example, we can leave the default script as we don't need any further filtering. After applying the filters on the assets and the filter on the rules, the selected quality checks are displayed in the bottom table. Provide a name and a description for the new check pack before creating it by simply clicking on the Save Check Pack button. The new check pack is now available and can be executed by simply clicking on the Execute button. The 3 single quality checks are currently executed automatically, one after the other. From this table, the check pack can be executed manually at any time, scheduled or deleted. The results of the executions are immediately visible in the Quality Check Results tab, and the colors in the raw data map are also updated accordingly. For the creation of single quality checks, please refer to our video, Set up Single Quality Checks in OneData.